Tell me what tools you're using for Instagram and I'll tell you how much you're gonna grow. I'm here to share over 10 applications, softwares, tools, and strategies that you're going to start putting into place today to grow on Instagram. Why is it so important to grow on Instagram? We're not really looking necessarily to grow because of a number, but we're looking in order to gain traction for our business, for our brand, in order to actually turn those followers into customers. Remember, our goal here is not to gain followers, but gain customers. And I'm gonna tell you exactly how, so stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Laura Gomez, and this is the best YouTube channel for you if you have an online business, want an online business, and are looking to grow it with digital marketing. Just like you need tools in order to lose weight and get back to a healthy lifestyle, you need tools for your Instagram. Why am I sharing this? Well, about a year and a half ago, I really wanted to get back into my healthy shape because, as you guys know, I was a food blogger, so I was eating out all the time. I was getting invited, and it was honestly the best time, but of course I put on some extra pounds, and not only that, I wasn't feeling so healthy. So the main point was that I had to get some tools. I had to get a coach, a gym partner, and in order to actually lose that weight and get healthy, I needed to start to eat clean. Eating clean comes with different tools, different actual ingredients that you need to put inside your food. And that's exactly what Instagram is for you. If you want to grow on Instagram, you need to be able to put those tools inside. This isn't just a cookie that you're gonna eat and you're gonna lose 30 pounds. Who knows how that works? This is an actual strategy. This is you going to the gym every day. So that means you posting every day on stories, on your feed, whatever it may be, and actually using these tools properly. So cooking that healthy, clean food every day, interacting, engaging, and building up your real audience. If you actually want to do that, then stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's start off with the first thing people go and see in your Instagram profile, your bio. You hear it all around Instagram. You need to say who you solved the problem for, what problem you're solving. You guys already know all that. If you want me to dive in a little further, then just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to make a video on that explaining the 5 steps you need for your Instagram bio. But as of now, I think you've heard that around way often, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight to the next one. After your bio, what's the second thing people look at the most? Your content, right? So whether it's pictures, videos, or quotes, you need to make sure that you actually captivate with your content. As you guys know, we always talk about the 3-in-1 strategy: entertain, educate, and sell. How are you going to do this? With your pictures, videos, and quotes. Remember, viral posts are quotes or meme style, but you can't have an account of just quotes and meme style because that would just be a meme account. A business can't be just a meme account. You have to entertain, educate, so you can educate with the video, and then show your product, sell with the photo. This could be a product photography, could be showing your location, showing your best seller, whatever it may be. What applications are you going to use for this? Well, if you're a little technical, go ahead and use Lightroom for your photos. If not, you can go ahead and use Visco. It's one click and you can just make your feed look pleasing. Remember, a digital account is like going window shopping digitally. You want to make sure that the outside is appealing for people to actually come into your store and actually speak to the sales representative. The sales representative isn't outside yelling, "Hey, let me show you what shoes we're selling inside." No, it's the other way around. So make sure you have an appealing storefront, photos, videos that captivate, and then interact and tell them a little more inside. Okay, if you're going to do an educational style of videos, then I recommend InShot. This is the best application in order to edit your videos. You can put music, you can put captions, and really make them captivating. Now, for quotes and memes, you can definitely use Canva.com, which if you guys have tried any of my free Instagram templates, you know they're all on Canva. I love Canva and it's super user-friendly. So that's the content. What comes next? Hashtags. Hashtags is a way for you to actually get found and to go outside of your regular audience bubble. That's the goal, because obviously if we're going to increase our growth, we have to go outside of our bubble. How are we going to do that? Well, it's super simple. It's the ladder strategy that I always show, and I have a little more on that in this video up at the top. But basically, if you want to do it manually, you go and you search super narrow hashtags of your industry or your location if you're location based, and you look at the numbers that are on that hashtag so you can actually see how many posts are trending and how many people are posting on that hashtag daily. If you want an application that does it all for you, I would recommend Hashtastic. It works out pretty nice, but it's not that cookie that you're going to eat and voila, the weight falls off. No, you have to put in the work. I would recommend having 5 to 7 templates per month. You switch around on them, you see your insights, see what's performing the best, and then you keep that one for the following months. And then you replace the ones that weren't really working with new templates. That's the key thing to do. Next step, I know I'm going fast, but there's a lot of information that I want you to do. So if you need to go back and write some things down, I would highly, highly recommend that. But make sure you stick around to the end because I'm gonna share a secret tip that not a lot of people are sharing on Instagram. You can do it from the application and it maximizes your growth tremendously, okay? So following step, we have our bio, we have our pictures, we have our hashtags. Now we're going to engagement. Engaging on posts is so important. Not only are you replying to the comments on your post, but you need to be going out there and bringing people inside your store. How are we going to do that? I recommend finding 4 to 5 similar accounts that have similar audiences from yours. So let's say if I'm Nike, I would go into Adidas profile and I would look at the people who are liking or commenting on Adidas posts, and I would start to interact with them. Hold on. By interact, I don't mean, hey, check out my page. That is super spammy behavior, and that is something that we do not want to do. What do you want to do? You want to actually make a conversation with that person. I used this example before, and I think it's pretty clear. Let's say Sandy comments something on Nike's account because she follows Nike, and she says, hey Nike, what's the best shoe for basketball? Adidas would come in and notice that Nike didn't respond. So Adidas can go in and say, hey Sandy, what features are you looking for to have in your basketball shoe? Or, hey Sandy, we have a super great sale going on our basketball shoes right now. Make a conversation. So what size are you, or where can we ship it to? Where are you looking to buy? Are you looking to go inside into our location and try them on? That's a way to make conversation with Sandy, and it's not that you're stealing the other person's consumers, you're making a relationship. So don't go in it with the mindset of, okay, I'm gonna take that customer away. No, we're sharing connections and we're building relationships with people that have something in common with us, okay? Next step, stories. You cannot grow on Instagram. You cannot have real growth on Instagram if you're not using stories. A lot of you have said, hey Laura, I just don't like putting my face out there, or it's my business account and I just don't feel like it's professional to go on stories. Okay, first of all, we need to start breaking off that mindset, but let's do it very slowly. So what's a simple step you can do? You can start using apps like Canva, like Story, like Insta Story that are templates where you can put in pictures and actually customize a design. Once you slowly start to adapt into that, you can transition and start putting a face in. Let's say you don't want to actually put your face in. Why don't you create an avatar for your brand? So a cartoon, an animal, a picture, something. One of my favorite brands in the world is a restaurant, and their actual image is a duck. It's a duck, and it's absolutely amazing. Their duck is everywhere. It's on their dishes, it's on their branding, it's on their menu, it's on their location, and it's so captivating, and it's a duck. Come on, guys. I mean, we can all think of stuff like this. So put something on there, put something that people relate to. Remember, social media is not to sell. If we were looking for a platform to just buy and sell on, we would be on Amazon, okay? Social media is to create relationships with other people. That's why stories is so important. Next, last but not least, So now we're on the final step. What's the goal of Instagram? What's the way that we're going to turn our followers into customers? It's with that link, okay? Whether you have 10K and you can do it with a swipe up, or if you have 1 follower and you can put your link in your bio, that's the goal. We want to make sure that we're taking our consumers to our goal, whether it's our event, buying our product or service, going to our physical location, whatever it may be. So that link, how are we going to make it appealing for them? Different apps like Linktree, like Tap Bio, or like Milkshake app really make it appealing for your customer to open up that link and go directly to where they want to go. But watch out, because literally this week I was looking at some super highly recognized coaches. I went on their link in bio and they had about 7 different options that, me knowing their business model, I was so confused. I didn't even know what to click on. That imagine how a consumer or one of their potential customers would feel. That's something that we don't want to do. Remember, a confused mind never buys, okay? So make it straight to the point. Think of one product that you want to sell or one location you want to send them to. For example, if you're selling online, send them to your online shop. If you don't have one product you want to highlight, say, this is our online shop, okay? Straight to the point. And remember, having one call to action is the key to turning our followers into customers, okay? And like I promised, now that you made it to the end of the video, I'm gonna share a tip that not a lot of people are talking about. Super useful, free. You can do it right now and it literally takes no time, okay? I want you to open up your phone, go to one of your posts that you have already posted so it's on your feed. You're going to the 3 little dots, and in the edit option, you're going to see when you open it up, it's going to give you an option to put a text under alt text. What is this, Laura? Well, alt text is just like you would do it on your website. It's for SEO purposes. That means you're telling the platform what's going on in this picture. This is the best strategy to let Instagram know what's going on in this picture. And this is a way that we can use our keywords in order to actually increase our reach. So go outside of our bubble. For example, for me in marketing, I would put marketing coach or marketing strategies. Grow your business with these strategies. So make sure you're using your keywords to describe your photo and then save it, and that's it. You're done. That's all you have to do, and this is a key thing in order to actually maximize your growth. So there you have it. I shared tons of tips, tools, applications for you to go ahead and start today, so you have no excuse. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback, to hearing how it's going for you, and to actually see who's following these tips. If you're following these tips, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And of course, I know you guys love this information. I jam-pack all the videos, so if you're looking for more of these great videos on this YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, all right? And if you want a little more free resources, go ahead to the bottom of the link. You can download my free Instagram roadmap, which has tons of tools and even content ideas for your account. Go ahead and grab it and start driving your account towards success. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.